Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to underline in PDF 2024. So open your Adobe Acrobat. Now choose the PDF. Now you have to mark this first with the mouse, what line you want to underline. After that, you can see at the T option, click on T and it will be underlined. If you want to change the underline color, all you have to just right click on this. Sorry, click on this, don't right click on this line and you'll find here the color. Click on the color and then you can change the color. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.